What's up, guys? Oh, my Stros Gamer here, and welcome back to Cat Game. And I just got a premium key or something. And look at Oreo is still here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very long, but who cares? Very long, and we love it. Anyway, we're gonna start off the episode with a premium key. Let's go.
I'll make control now. Alright, ready? I have all the left.
Give me
Because of Battle Cats.
something. Go.
Okay. Congrats, you got nothing.
What?
You just got a card. You were so close to getting an epic cat.
Oh, this is another horrible way to start an episode. Yeah. Wait. Ooh.
Mine is still uploading.
No way.
What?
I claimed another premium key.
I want to do it, or you can do it.
I'm gonna try it.
Guess what?
What?
Actually, never mind.
Where'd it go? I got it right. Okay.
By the way, guys, my cat game's still uploading.
Yeah, it's uploading a video right now and it takes me forever.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for the legendary cat to go by and then I'm gonna spin it.
No legendary cat is here. That's epic.
Come on, where's that? Never mind.
Oh.
Yee.
Oh, you got an epic. Who'd you get? Oh.
Chinese dragon. Apparently it doesn't want to show me.
You got one better than mine.
I did? Where's it? Whoa.
Oh.
Gluten. Wait, 100% gluten. Come on. Wait, what's the one that you got?
I got like an angel, another angel.
Oh yeah. I got a Chinese dragon cat. That's cool. Whoa.
No.
That's awesome. I'm in love.
Ugh.
To me.
Oh my god! All of a sudden. Ugh.
VIP? What do you mean? Oh yeah, like a level 7. Wait, where am I at?
You have to buy it.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh, acquire.
So I'm pretty sure that's what you have to do.
Hopefully. Nah, just kidding. Alright, try to get it near a cat. Oh, I gotta feed you, never mind. They're all mushy. Smushy. Oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get a legendary window. What is it? Whoa, portraits! I love it. Where's that?
I got the tank. I got the helicopter one.
You did?
Yeah.
Helicopter. Oh yeah. Let's do deals. Come on, give me. Oh, okay, never mind. I don't understand what, like, why. It says. So, wait, hold on. I don't. Yeah, whatever. Okay, I gotta feed you too. Which one? Kill it? Yeah, kill it. Sure, eat that stuff. Yeah. Yeah.
Should I make a video?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
What was that?
I don't know. I hit my head.
Wait.
Oh, I gotta charge my phone.
Chew. Is it good? Then totally, I totally want to see you die.
Oh my god, you're disgusting.
You're the one who asked me. disgusting. You're disgusting. Ugh. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Out. Upset. I'm kind of poo-poo. Yeah, poo-poo.
3, 2, 1.
We're going on a trip. Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, let's pick a career and we'll play cat game again. Yay.
Why you sound so depressed?
I'm depressed. I'm just kidding.
Be hyped. Yeah.
Start shaking. Oh god.
There's an earthquake up here. Oh yeah, I got a new cat. I think this is one of the new cats I haven't showed you. Go to wing.
I got nothing from last time. I'm just trying to get premium.
Premium key.
Yeah, premium key. We're calling prim key.
Oh, and this one too. Got named Nom Nom. That. Good cat.
Okay, so this is what you have to do to get a premium. You just gotta finish a level. That's it.
A level. Don't you mean a room? Okay. Yeah, but you gotta finish your room. Gotta finish your room. Like, gotta get all the cats and all the decorations.
Yeah.
Which is actually kind of easy, you know.
No, not really.
Well, it kind of is, cause like it just like comes off luck.
Yeah. Alright, let's play some more.
Let's play a game.
So,
For me.
so, don't even
Might as well show you guys this game. This game's like it's like Tetris, I guess. Wait, what?
Tetris.
What?
Like Tetris?
Sort of.
Not even.
You mean?
Actually, yeah.
Wait, I don't. What the heck? I don't.
This is nothing like Tetris. No!
Oh, here we go. I'll just put that idea. Wait, no. What are you doing? Stupid. Right there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The. Yeah. The universe. Go in the dang hole.
That's all. Go. Don't wanna know.
You don't wanna know?
Oh god. Why is this even an ad?
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, if you want me to keep playing this game, let me know in the comments, cause I want to know your opinion. I don't want to bore you. Just like I don't want to see this. This is nasty.
That's technically you're uploading now.
Yeah, I know, it's fun. And that's all I got pretty much, cause I just started it and I want to do like a, you know. It with me. Oh.
If you guys wanna know getting the homies, yeah.
Don't care.
Ask your parents.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Say that you have permission for us.
Yeah. Blame the person who's playing a game. Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Don't actually go to your mom or whoever. Your dad.
Oh, hello. Come on, new cat. Ooh.
He did something else. What'd you get?
Dad, why? She got cotton.
Oh wow, that's a really good thing.
Mimi. Oh. Man, those. Wait, hold on. Sorry. Oh, look at these cards. Look at these cards. Look at that. Full art. Amazing. I'm not just saying that because they're anime girls. What was that?
I got an anime girl today.
You wanted the
I wanted Shore Kai. The one with the most usually.
Shut up. No, it's one away. The one with the most
God,
jiggly.
shut up.
The one with the most jiggly. How could you say that?
The one with the most jiggly. That was the most jiggly.
You know what? Well, I'm gonna cut this short because my storage is being a weenie.
Yeah, same with me, because I just don't want to, like, wait for it to, yeah, upload a lot.
Yeah.
No,
Alright.
it takes forever to upload.
Yeah.
Because all the other videos that are coming out, taking way long.
It'll take a while.
They're over,
Wait. Oh.
one of them's over 30 minutes, I'm pretty sure.
Oh my god.
What's that?
Nothing.
Oh, wow.
Wait. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Sorry I cut this short because my storage is garbage. Anyway, goodbye.